Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between two giants in the tire industry, the Continental PremiumContact 7 and the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3. Today, we'll dive deep into their performance, focusing on key aspects like dry and wet handling, noise and comfort, rolling resistance, and wear. Launched in 2021, the Continental PremiumContact 7 has set new standards in the touring tire market. With its advanced tread pattern and innovative red Keeley compound, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3, introduced in 2019, aims to blend luxury and sportiness. Its advanced tread layout and high-end rubber ingredients. Let's look at the test results, starting with dry performance. In dry braking, both tires stop at the same distance of 33.4 meters. However, in dry handling, the Continental PremiumContact 7 completes the lap 0.86 seconds faster than the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3. Subjective dry handling ratings also favor the Continental tire, scoring 0.3 points higher than the Hankook. The PremiumContact 7 clearly excels in high-performance driving scenarios. In wet conditions, the Continental PremiumContact 7 stops 1.8 meters shorter than the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3. Wet handling also sees the Continental tire ahead by 1.19 seconds, receiving 0.3 points higher in subjective ratings. The Continental tire also outperforms in aquaplaning resistance, achieving 4.1 kilometers per hour higher in straight aquaplaning and 1.1 meters per second better in curved aquaplaning compared to Hankook. Noise and comfort are crucial for a pleasant driving experience. The Continental PremiumContact 7 records a slightly lower noise level, 0.1 decibel less than Hankook. It also scores 0.2 points higher in subjective comfort. Rolling resistance, a key factor for fuel efficiency and electric vehicle range, shows the Continental tire with a slight edge, 0.2 Newton per kilonewton lower than Hankook. Wear performance is another area where the Continental PremiumContact 7 shines, with an expected mileage 2,571 kilometers higher and an abrasion rate lower than the Hankook tire. This means better longevity and lower environmental impact under new 7 Euros regulations. In summary, the Continental PremiumContact 7 shines in wet, dry, and mileage, while the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 matches the Continental for noise. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.